Are you looking for the best laser level for deck building in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best laser level for deck building that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the DW0825LG DEWALT 12V Max Green Crossline Laser. This DEWALT DW0825LG line laser model will be the best choice for your construction projects if you're casting, laying bricks, or aligning decking boards. This DEWALT laser model uses a 12V lithium portable battery to project green cross-sectional beam line. Because of this powerful feature, this laser has a very long life and can quickly recharge its inbuilt battery. With this DEWALT model, horizontal and vertical lines are projected automatically onto the target surface. Based on its laser technology, its green beam lines are 4 times more visible than red laser models. With an accuracy rate of an 1/8, it has a spot range of around 150 feet and a cross-sectional line range of 165 feet. Although this DEWALT model is a Class 2 laser product, it only has an output power rating of less than 1 MW and a wavelength range of 510 to 530 nm. It includes a 12V optimal Li-ion battery pack, a 12V divided by 20V multi-voltage charger, a target card, a TSTAK case, enhancement glasses, and a sealing bracket, and a built-in magnetic bracket that enables mounting the device to steel and metal track. Due to the 1/4 inches and 5/8 inches threads on its magnetic bracket, installation is quick and secure. However, this laser device won't break if it falls from 2 meters. This is due to its heavy-duty casing and IP65 water and dust resistance. Up next in the 4th place is the Huepar 3D Crossline Self-Leveling Laser Level. With one 360-degree horizontal and 2 360-degree vertical axes of operation, the Huepar 3D laser model has an accuracy rating of +1/9 inches at 33 feet, which enables users to cover the deck, wall, and ceiling of the entire building or room. Depending on the needs of the job, each of the 3 laser lines can be chosen. This laser level device self-levels and signals an out-of-level state using its clever pendulum mechanism while the pendulum is unlocked. After locking, the pendulum goes into manual mode, and the locking lines can be used at any angle. The Huepar B3CG laser model runs for up to 8 hours on a battery with a 3.7V and a 5200 mAh capacity. The lithium battery has a Type-C charging port that can be used for additional charging. The laser tool can be plugged in at the task site after removing the batteries. 4 battery indicators on the LCD screen mounted on this laser device let users know how much power the battery has left. However, its charging protection feature keeps the battery from being overcharged. This cross-sectional line laser uses an OSRAM green laser system that is brilliant, stable, and temperature resistant. The 1/4 inches by 20 thread on this laser level allows it to be mounted on a laser mounting pole or a typical mount. The laser tool's magnetic pivoting base will enable it to be turned to the desired angle. Users can function well in dangerous working settings thanks to IP54 water and dust resistance. The target plate, Li-ion battery with a Type-C charging connector, magnetic bracket, power adapter, laser level, and user manual are all included in the kit. The 3rd product on our list is the Bosch GLL3 330CG 360-degree green beam 3-plane level and alignment line laser. The 12V Max GLL3 330CG Bosch laser level offers a complete leveling and work surface adjustment for a do-it-yourself work setup. This Bosch laser model produces 1 parallel and 2 perpendicular green beam lines in 360-degree laser planes. Thanks to its Bluetooth connection support, professionals may use their smartphones and the free Bosch leveling remote system to control the laser setup covering the deck area. This Bosch laser model features dual power technology, allowing users to choose between using the Bosch 12V Li-ion battery that comes with it or 4AA alkaline batteries for shorter runtime. With an accuracy rate of about 3/32 inches at 30 feet, the laser has an operating range of up to 200 feet in diameter. When operating in pulse mode, this range can be increased to about 330 feet with an optional LR8 receiver. This laser has CalGuard to ensure it is calibrated correctly, VisiMax technology to make the line as clear and visible as possible, and a solid heavy-duty design to withstand dusty or wet job site conditions. With this outstanding Bosch laser model, you get a 12V optimal Li-ion 2.0 Ah battery and its adapter, a BM1 alignment device, a laser target, an AA1 alkaline battery adapter, and a hard carrying case. 2nd on our list is the Huepar Outdoor Self-Leveling Green Cross-Sectional Line Laser Level. The Huepar Box 1G 150 feet divided by 45 meters laser model has super intelligent green beam lines with 1/13 of an inch's accuracy at 33 feet for various leveling and alignment applications. It projects a 130-degree horizontal and another 150-degree vertical beam line. This Huepar laser model is also ideal for laying tile, hanging wall arts, installing doors and windows, and decking projects, among other things. Users can choose a cross, horizontal, or vertical plane with a single button press. This laser device auto-levels and signals an out-of-level situation. At the same time, the rotary system can be unlocked. Thanks to a sophisticated pendulum, the rotary system shifts to manual mode after locking lines for orientation at any angle. In direct sunlight or outside settings, pulse mode increases the operational range of the Huepar laser receiver by up to 150 feet. This Huepar laser type operates with 4AA alkaline batteries for an extended operating period. When all the beam lines on all three planes are activated, the laser model will run for 5 hours on brand new batteries. The small design and TPR soft rubber enclosure make the laser device more portable and robust. It comes with a 1-year guarantee that can be increased to 2 years if you register as a Royal client. Finally, the top product on our list is the Johnson Level and Tool Fortiminous 6184 Magnetic Torpedo Laser Level. The Johnson Torpedo 3-beam line laser level is a highly flexible leveling tool that saves time and money while providing greater accuracy and long-lasting quality. The frame is made of precisely machined, anodized aluminum. Working on metal or wood construction sites is easy and hands-free because of the lower edge body's V-groove and 2 powerful magnets. The base section of this Johnson laser model has a 1/4 by 20 inches thread, which brings stability to the device when placed on a mount or rail. This Johnson Torpedo laser model has 4 bubble vials, 3 showing plumb, level, and 45-degree reference angle. The 4th is a cross-sectional beam vial that gives a second level indicator at 90 degrees from the long axis plane. However, the 3 90-degree beam lines give out level, plumb, and square points at the same time. Metalworkers and woodworkers can benefit from the Johnson Torpedo laser model. The leveling base, 3 AA alkaline batteries, an instruction book with a warranty card, and a soft-sided carrying pouch are all included. Depending on the beam intensity, the beams can reach up to 100 feet indoors and have an accuracy of 1/8 of an inch at 50 feet. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.